Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the Toledo cordless impact wrench here. Let's unbox this thing, be testing it out. Looks pretty sweet. Pull that out. Okay, so we have this nice case. That's cool. Pop that open, lift those out. And there we have it, some instructions on top. This comes with, looks like we got 2, 4, 5, 6 drill bits, and then different tools also for, looks like Phillips head, flathead, different screws, driver tips. And we got 4 lug nut removers, basically attachments here. Oh man. That is pretty beefy. This thing's 2,600 RPM on high, 600 foot-pounds of torque. Feels pretty solid. All right, so we have the two 21 volt, 4 milliamp hour batteries. Those just go on there like that. We can adjust the different modes here. Let's see if we got to charge these up first or not. Okay. It's got a nice little light right here too. That's very convenient if you're using it to, it's always helpful to be able to locate like the screws and stuff you're screwing into. Looks like we have the different modes here. You can switch on here. 1 through 4, basically different RPMs, and we have our battery light indicator right here as well. So that turns off after a little while to save your battery. Sounds pretty burly though. I'll be testing this out, maybe take some lug nuts off my van or something like that. But so far initially, it feels like a tank really. I have this nice rubberized here too thing, so you can kind of grip it like that. But pretty burly feeling. Also comes with this battery charger and an extra battery, so that's nice. Wow, these are like heavy duty. This is a 1/2 inch, right? So that goes on there. It's got this hole right here for the pin to go in. You just put that on there. Put your pin through, and then it's got like a little, just in case to hold it on there. It's got this little rubber washer. You put the pin through there, put the washer over there. Okay. Let's see here. Well, if there's a secret to getting that off of there. Okay, just pull it off. Also, what's kind of cool is it does have this adjustment here. Put that on. Probably don't even need the thing to hold it on there really. And you snap that on there and use the different attachments here. So very cool. We can just throw in drill bit. It just kind of pops into place, yeah. That's pretty stiff. That's pretty good there. Holds it nicely, and then you have your drill bit. That's not going to slip at all. Something's going to give before that does, so that's pretty cool. Okay, anyways, friends, I'm going to go test this out on some stuff, see how much power this thing really has. I do have an impact driver. Had it kind of give out before. I mean, we just didn't have enough power to like kind of drive home what it was trying to do. So this thing seems like it's really burly. So let's go test it out, shall we? If you're doing small jobs or big jobs, this thing can handle it. The light comes on. All right, friends, let's test this out on this is an old piece of super hard pressure treated wood that's been in my garage for a while, so not a soft wood at all. So we get our drill bit here, just press that in there. and no problem. This thing eats through it. Plenty of power. That's on low, so I'm going to put it on high there. Okay. So that's easy. I'll try to drive this in there too. Let's see here. So what's nice about this is you can add other parts on there. Find the right one that fits on there. Let's see here. Not that one. There we go. So I can just push that in there. Goes right in there. It's got that little locking mechanism, kind of expands. So we can see if we just, I'll see if I can drive this right into the wood without the hole. That's crazy. This thing's got some power. I'm going to try to drive this down into here without any holes. We'll just see. I might have to do a little starter hole just to get that going, but this is a pretty hard wood here. Wow. This thing's pretty burly. I'm going to try to see if I got one for this one. Oh yeah. I'm going to try to drive that in there real quick. I might have to put that in my vise, but that's going to be definitely not an easy task. Okay, so I have this impact driver. It's just not even moving it now. So it got in a little bit and then it just stopped. So now we'll get out this one and see what this is made out of here. I'm thinking it's going to do a fairly nice job here, but let's see how it goes. What are we on here? I'll put on one here. Oh my goodness. I told you this thing is gnarly. Check it out. It's got so much torque. It was just driving it in there. It snapped the bolt off. This thing is crazy powerful. Where this lagged out only a few turns in, this was driving, that bolt is probably 10 inches long at least, into like super dry pressure treated wood, and this didn't give out. The bolt actually broke. So this thing is crazy strong. Super impressed with the power. I mean, look at that. That's pretty impressive for sure. I like has the light on there and everything. You can just look at the different size in the motors though. It's half again as big as that, and it's got plenty of torque, guys. Not super loud either. The hammering action, I mean, it just yeah, very impressive. I like the batteries. It comes with 2 of them, so that's super convenient. So if you are working on with this, you could drive just screws into normal wood, or you can do the heavy duty things too, like lug nuts on a car. So I'm just going to take this regular piece of this regular screw here, like if you're doing a deck or something. Oops. And we can speed it up a little bit. Number 4 there. All right, that's pretty crazy. I'm super impressed with it. Got plenty of power, as you can see. I don't think I'd be able to unscrew it with that other one. I'm pretty sure, in fact, I know I wouldn't be able to. That's a really hard wood there. It's been sitting in my garage for a couple years. So this thing is gnarly. All right, here we are under my truck. I got some pretty burly bolts here. So I'll just put those on there and takes those off, no problem. This thing makes short work of pretty much anything. I want to tighten it back on there. I ain't going nowhere. This thing is super impressive, my friends.